We just want to inform to the international community and friends of Cambodia related to a caption posted by the nation Thailand saying that the economic area said they believe that English-speaking foreigners had been hired to operate suicide drone for Cambodian troops to attack Thai military bankers. This caption is absolutely false, fabricated, and intended only to paint to malign Cambodia. Cambodia has our own strong capacity in using that weapons against foreign invader into our countries. And now, I'm going to read the whole statement extracted from the Ministry of National Defense of the Kingdom of Cambodia. Please listen carefully. The Ministry of National Defense of Cambodia would like to reject the content published by the Nation Thailand Facebook page, as I read for you earlier, which accused Cambodia of using foreign mercenaries to help launch suicide drones in the Cambodian-Thai border conflict. The ministry asserts that this information is false, fabricated, and intended only to malign Cambodia. See? Cambodia demands that Thai side immediately cease all deliberate dissemination of false information aimed at diverting attention from in violation of the international law. This disinformation campaign is intended to paint Cambodia in the negative light, thereby justifying the use of more brutal weapons against Cambodia. Okay? So just one, as again, very important, please help circulate this information. The rejection from our Ministry of National Defense of the Kingdom of Cambodia to the world, to other friends, saying that the caption posted by a Facebook page from Thailand is absolutely wrong, fabricated, and has the malicious intention to divert the reality from Cambodia. Cambodia has our own strong capacity in using that suicide drone against foreign invader like Thailand. Please be informed. 11 December 2025.